If you or someone you know suffers from sleep apnea, this might be of interest to you. Sleep apnea is a common disorder where people have pauses in breathing while they sleep. Breathing pauses can last from a few seconds to minutes, and they often occur 5 to 30 times or more each hour. Typically, normal breathing starts again, sometimes with a loud snort or a choking sound. Sleep apnea is very common and is actually as common as adult diabetes, and in fact it affects more than 12 million Americans, according to the National Institutes of Health. And if untreated, sleep apnea can cause high blood pressure and other cardiovascular diseases, memory problems, weight gain, impotency, and headaches. And sleep apnea is also a common and sometimes deadly problem with premature babies, and actually a major preoccupation for medical staff. What's very interesting is that French scientists recently studied 14 premature infants with apneas that were resistant to traditional treatments, and they were exposed during the second week after birth to the odor of vanilla, which was diffused into their incubators. And the results, they showed an impressive 44% reduction in the number of apneas which lasted longer, which typically had lasted longer than 20 seconds. And apneas associated with the reduction of the heart rate of the infant were reduced by an amazing 45%. And interestingly, there were no side effects observed in this study. Odorization of the incubator, therefore, appears to be of some therapeutic value for the treatment of apneas which otherwise were unresponsive to classical therapy, and interestingly they may also help to preserve brain development. What would be very interesting to see is if this study, from this study, similar results could be achieved for the 12 million others, adults and other children who are afflicted with this condition. So scent therefore has a lot of promise, and if this is something that you're suffering from, you might want to take a closer look at some of the studies that have been done with the effects of scent on reduction and of this problem.